What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna be tackling something I've been wanting to do for a while. A little bit of a backstory. We're gonna be working on my GMC Sierra LMM Duramax. So I got the truck tuned a while back, and I never actually completed the weight loss program, we'll call it. And we're still, this by no means is a completion of it either way, but so the tuner came down to me, he tuned the truck, and we spoke, and he said I wouldn't recommend driving it with the stock exhaust. I didn't see any harm in it, knowing what the repercussions could be. The truck is still driving, but I do think that the DPF got clogged, essentially. So to resolve that, what I did was I went ahead and purchased MBRP 4.5-inch exhaust with the muffler. Reason for the muffler is because I don't want the truck to be obnoxious. I want to be able to enjoy it. I've heard some of them, they sound good, it's cool, but I don't want anything obnoxious. So we're gonna be taking off all the stock exhaust stuff. I'm gonna give you guys a before clip. I have to pull it in anyways, and then we're gonna be able to see what it sounds like after. And I'm actually excited to see this because I wanted to do this on my old truck. My old truck had it looked like, you know, regular plumbing pipes, as far as like for the heater for your machine washer and dryer. It had that in there, and it didn't sound bad, but it definitely didn't sound good. It sounded kind of stock or like crap. So I'm gonna pull that truck in. We're gonna go over it. By go over it, I mean we're just gonna jack it up and get right to work. See how fast we could get this exhaust out. I hope they brought me new hangers because I know that one of my hangers were broken. So I gotta go through this. I have a lot of clamps, a lot of hardware, but oh well, nothing left but to do it. So let's get to it. Hope it still starts. All right, so I'm gonna tackle this first. Looks like it shouldn't be that bad. I'm gonna grab my socket set and just zip off the muffler portion, and then we'll move forward from there. Yeah, there you go. So, as you can see, that one didn't make it out. If I had to guess, none of them are gonna make it out. So I still have this one up here and the one on this side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab PB Blaster and spray these three. All right. have to get these flanges. Somehow, that one, I'm sorry, lighting is horrible. That one is broken. Then you can see the one up top and the two on this side. Hopeful, but very doubtful. All right. Sorry. All right, guys. So this is the old exhaust system. This was terrible. The only thing I had to kind of hack off was these lines. This is stripped and somebody double nutted it. Couldn't get it off. But I'm sure if I ever had to go back to stock, I could buy those. That's not a problem. Everything else came off. No problem. Now we're going to get to the fun part. Putting all this together. First part of the fresh exhaust. All right, so it started raining, so I have to finish this quick, and I have to be at work pretty soon. Snowing, I'm sorry, it started snowing. Right here it says for short bed trucks, cut 15 inches. And I bought some tape. In my adventure to Harbor Freight, I buy nothing but quality tools. Bought a cutoff wheel. I did way better than I previously had done cutting stuff. Again, it's not perfect, but I like it. I dig it. If I had a belt sander, this thing would look brand new, but I don't. So that's gonna work. All right, so I'm not gonna show you guys me installing it anymore. It's very cold and it's snowing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw it on, and then you guys are gonna get an after. You got the before. I'm gonna wash my hands, throw my gloves on, and do the after. All I'm missing is actually this pipe. Off camera. Well, the camera was set up, but you guys couldn't see in the angle. I have the tailpipe just hanging there, so I could just put on all the clamps and get this over with. All right. So, tools are still on the ground, but I want to show you guys. Exhaust is on all the way up, and so I'm gonna set you guys up. I can't wait any longer to hear this first start. Let's do this. I like it. This thing is loud. It's pretty loud, even without the muffler. You hear the thermal noises? This thing's sick. I mean, it is very cold right now. I think it's like 12 degrees. I'm gonna clean up, and then that's it. This is great. The install was simple. I just didn't know I had to cut. Had I taken 2 extra minutes to read the instructions, I would have done that to begin with, and I would have just adjusted from there. Definitely gonna get an exhaust tip. This thing sounds mean. I love it. All right, so thank you guys for watching. The production was a little bad. It's hard to record underneath the car, but please like, comment, subscribe, and tune into the next one. Peace.